So welcome friends, if you are having Elevenlabs Unusual Activity Detected error, then this video might help you. So you can see I have written a text in this text to speech input field. You can see unleash the power of our cutting-edge technology to generate realistic, captivating speech in wide range of languages. I just copied this and pasted it right here. And if I just step at generate speech, then there is nothing which says 11. Yeah, so it works, it is working for me, and in your case it says unusual activity detected. So to tackle this problem, you don't have to use VPNs or create different accounts or vice versa. This video will help you exact do my steps which I'm going to show in this video, and you are going to fix it forever. You will never face this unusual activity detected problem ever again. So first of all, delete your account, delete your existing account, because that is flagged as spam by 11labs.io. You'll find the link of 11labs.io in the description of this video. Tap at link in description and create new account. Then after creation of your new account, you just have to tap at upgrade plan. You don't worry about money. I don't want to. You can see starter $5 per month, but you don't have to give $5 per month. If you go with my link in the description of this video and create new account, you will get $1 for the very first month, and after the first month de-attach your credit card, and then you can use this for free ever. You can see I am with free plan at the moment, but I do not experience any Elevenlabs unusual activity detected problem. So if you do not use this $1 per month, this is for you, this is $1 per month. Okay, if you create new account with my link, then do what I just said, and you will find best. Elevenlabs, you'll never face the same issue Elevenlabs unusual activity detected with this. So thanks for watching this video. I'm sure this will help you. Comment below if it works for you.